what's up today? I'm here with RPGShow again, and yeah, classic black box. So let's see what we got in today's wig package. Okay, so first of all, we're seeing the wig, of course. Get to that in a few. Ooh, what? So this is the only thing I see left in the box. It's a RPGShow hairstylist lookbook. Wow. Okay, I've never gotten one of these. Oh, this is fancy. This is a Pole magazine. Okay, it's different looks. Oh, this is cute. RPGShow. I like this. This is real cute. Wow. Alright. Kiki Palmer. Okay. We're not going on itself. I like this. I like this. Alright, so onto the wig. Comes in this packaging here. And okay, not just the wig is inside, but I also got a wig cap. And I got an information paper just stating what kind of wig it is. So yeah. So this is today's wig, and this is a gorgeous Swiss lace wig, guys. Happy for it. It comes pre-plucked. It's 12 inches long. It's a blunt cut, and it is a medium cap size. It's also a glueless lace front cap, and it's 200% density. It's also of a medium brown color. It's nice and silky. The construction of the wig looks like this. Oh, the knots are also pre-bleached, and it comes with a total of 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and the knots look really good, as you can see. Yeah, that's good. As I said, this is Swiss lace, my favorite lace to work with. So I'm happy about that. It melts. It always melts so effortlessly into the skin. So that's really cool. Today's wig look is not gonna be on me. I'm gonna be doing a little wig transformation on a cutie I have. She also has a YouTube channel. Her name is I Am Shelby. So let's go ahead and jump into the transformation. This is the beauty that we're working with today. Tell them your name.
Hi, I'm Shelby. That's
What is?
Hi guys, and I'm Shelby. I have a YouTube channel called And I'm Shelby, and Sue's gonna be giving me a makeover today. So I'm excited.
Because I'm gonna understand. She come, I said I am Shelby.
That's why.
install the lace, and I did, you know, quick ball cap method with my Got To Be spray, and the hairline does look very good. It melted in the skin really effortlessly. I tell you guys, in a Swiss lace, you can't go wrong with it. It will melt right in, and it looks very, very realistic. So I'm gonna do just, you know, a little bit, probably just 2 swoops, and that's it. And then I'm going to proceed to getting it really straight and flowy, and use my hot comb to get the top more laid and everything.
Cause we
Guys.
She can't see. Yeah, good.
Oh, but we carry the mirror now. I never even remember.
Jesus,
Yes, guys. So that is how it's looking. Nice, sleek. Oh my gosh, the hairline looks so good. So the hairline, you good with it? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a nice meltdown. Short-term install because I use got to be, but definitely you can feel free to use whatever you wish. Yeah, you could even go ahead and add some curls to this if you want. I just opted for that nice sleek straight look today, and yeah, this is how it's looking. I'm going to be sure to put the specifications of this wig in my description box, so if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and shop RPGShow. Feel free to leave your thoughts down below. It's a nice simple transformation. It's nothing too crazy. Yeah, I'm never take her too far from her comfort zone, because you know she likes to keep it clean and classy and simple. So yeah. So we are gonna know.
Alright, babe. Why am I gonna find someone? Because this look cannot go to waste, you know?
Just a nice simple makeup, you know, glam. Nothing too bold. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Feel free. Don't forget to go ahead and like it, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and also catch me over my vlog channel at PETITE-SUE TV. Shout out to RPGShow again for this gorgeous wig, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.